If you are doing YouTube short videos like these, I'm sorry, my friend, it's useless. You can't make even a single penny from videos like these. You may ask why. Let me tell you the truth that so-called YouTube gurus are not telling. YouTube will not allow you to monetize a channel if you even have one single video like this. The reason is that it's not your video. These types of content are called reused content, which means you took these from some other creator or a celebrity, made some edits, and uploaded them like your own videos. Even if you get monetized, within a few days, you will get a message like this: all your hard work will be gone. So, what if I told you a method to create your own motivational videos without any copyright or reused issues? In this video, I will guide you through step-by-step process to create a unique motivational channel without any issues. I will call this niche the dark motivation niche. As you already know, the motivation niche is highly saturated. But if you do a simple change and unique content, your channel can be the next viral YouTube channel. Let me show you a sample video I created.
In the shadows where I was conceived, darkness became my cradle. I clawed my way through the void of despair, only to find myself buried alive in a world where apathy reigned as the king. As I gasped for breath, humanity turned its back, leaving me to suffocate beneath the weight of its indifference.
Let's start with finding a name and a description for our channel. ChatGPT is the easiest way. Let's ask 10 name ideas for a YouTube channel about dark motivation. I think this one is a good name for our channel, which is Darker Horizons. Now let's ask ChatGPT to write a description for our channel. Okay, this is great. We have the name and description. Now, we need a logo. For this process, I'm going to use Leonardo AI. It's a free art generating AI similar to Midjourney, but it's very easy to use. As you can see here, there are a lot of images. Let's select this one and click Generate using this model. Now all you have to do is select a suitable size from the side menu and select the number of generations. And then simply type this prompt. Just like this, you can create a logo for your channel. By changing different types of characteristics, you can get different types of logo ideas. So, if you are not satisfied with the results you got, you can change the prompt and try again. Make sure to select an interesting image. Now we need a banner. Let's go to Canva and create a banner. If you don't have a Canva account, you can sign up for free. Go to Create Design and select YouTube banner. This banner should be simple and clean. In this side menu, you can see that there are a lot of templates. We can select a suitable one and edit it according to our niche. I will select this one. We don't need these elements. So let's delete those. And let's change this heading to Darker Horizons and change this slogan to Motivation. I think it's better to change this font. Let's add a new font as well. I will add a new background image as well. Go to Elements from the side menu and search for any image you want. I will add a darker background like this. I think this is good. Let's download it. The next step is creating the videos. First, we need a script. I have created a prompt you can use to create a video script in this niche using ChatGPT. Just got to ChatGPT and type this prompt. I also added an example script to this prompt so that ChatGPT can understand exactly what we want. So, copy this prompt and generate. As you can see, we got a nice script for this video. Now we need to make voiceovers. As usual, we are going to use Elevian Labs for that. If you don't have an account, sign up for free. After that, you can select a suitable AI voice from here. I would recommend using a deeper voice. When you are done with selecting the voice, copy the script we generated using ChatGPT and click Generate. It will generate your voiceover within a few seconds. Now, we are done with the voiceovers as well. We need to find suitable images for our video background. Again, I will use Leonardo AI for that. Just like we did before, select a suitable model and use this same prompt. If you want different results, you can change it in a suitable way. We will need around 6 to 8 images. After you generate those, download the images that you like the most. Make sure these images are in line with the script. This is about dark motivation. Therefore, images should be interesting and a little bit scary. Now, we have all the things we need to create our video. I'm going to use CapCut to edit these videos. It's free video editing software. You can simply download it onto your mobile or computer. Start a new project. Click this Modify button. You can change the project name and settings here, and select the suitable size for short videos, which is a 9:16 ratio. After that, import all the voiceovers and the images. First, drag the voiceovers to the timeline. Then, Place these images on top of it like this, and make sure to edit its size according to the video size. You can add images one after the other like this. If you have more images, it will increase the content quality. After you add all the images, we should add some cool transitions. Go to Transition from the top menu and select suitable transitions from these. I really like this glitch transition effect. Add transitions in between all images. After that, let's add some video effects as well. Go to Effects from the top menu and try these effects. There are hundreds of effects here. Just play with these and make your video edit more interesting. These are steady images. Adding different types of video effects will give the viewer a different vibe, so make sure to add more effects. After that, we need to add captions. CapCut has a feature that can automatically generate captions. Go to the text and select Auto Captions, then select English as the language and generate. It will generate the caption within a few seconds. Then you can edit it in a suitable way. I will make the text size bigger and change its fonts as well. Edit these text in an interesting way. It's completely up to you. I would recommend using bold fonts and simple colors. After you are done with that, you can add some text animations as well. Go to Animations from this side menu and select a simple animation. Make sure to select all the captions before you add the animations, or you will have to add it to each text layer one by one. After that, we need to add some background music to this video. Pixabay.com is a free website where you can find any type of music and sounds. So go to that and download suitable background music. Then add it to your timeline like this. Make sure to reduce its volume. Now, we are done with the process of creating the videos as well. Export this video from CapCut and upload it to your channel. Make sure to upload at least 3 to 4 videos per day. Uploading consistency will increase your views and subscribers. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.